Today, you will learn 100 really easy and important adjectives for beginners. Let's get started. People and appearance. People and appearance is to describe how people and things look. Let's say these words together. Can you repeat after me? Big, big. Small, small. Tall, tall. Short, short. Young, young. Old, old. What do they mean? Let's find out. Big, large in size. Small, little in size. Tall, high in height. Tall stature. Short, small in height. Young, having lived for only a short time. Old, having lived for a long time. Now, let's practice. What word means high in height? It means tall, tall. Good job. Question 2. Does big mean small size, medium size, or large size? Big means large size. Great work! Hooray! Very good. Now, let's learn some examples. The elephant is big. The elephant is big. The cat is small. The cat is small. He is a tall man. He is a tall man. She is short. She is short. The baby is young. The baby is young. My grandfather is old. My grandfather is old. Comparative and superlative adjectives. Comparative and superlative adjectives. Comparing adjectives means looking at two or more things to see how they are similar or different. Let's see some words in adjective. Fast, faster than, the fastest. Slow, slower, the slowest. High, higher, the highest. Low, lower than, the lowest. Long, longer than, the longest. Heavy, heavier, the heaviest. Light, lighter than. Strong, stronger than, the strongest. Weak, weaker than, the weakest. Happy, happier than, the happiest. Sad, sadder than, the saddest. Rich, richer than, the richest. Poor, poorer than, the poorest. Cheap, cheaper than, the cheapest. Clean, cleaner than, the cleanest. Dirty, dirtier than, the dirtiest. Deep, deeper than, the deepest. Dark, darker than, the darkest. Bright, brighter than, the brightest. Easy, easier than, the easiest. What do you see in these adjectives? Very good. There are rules, and they are very simple. We add ER to compare two things, comparative. We add ES to compare three or more things, superlative. Now, what about full sentences? When you make a sentence with a comparative adjective, you must add the word than. The baby is younger than his brother. And for superlatives, the baby is the youngest in their family. Now, let's practice. Fill in the blanks. A cheetah is blank than a turtle. Summer is blank than spring. An elephant is the blank animal on land. Good job! The correct answers are faster, hotter, and biggest. Weather adjectives. Weather adjectives. Weather is related to the seasons, like summer, winter, spring, and autumn. We use adjectives to describe how the weather feels or looks outside. Let's learn some adjectives to describe the weather. Say with me: cool, cool. Freezing for cold weather. Warm, warm. Hot, hot for sunny weather. Breezy, breezy. Windy, windy for wind. Drizzly, drizzly. Rainy, rainy for rain. Very good. Whoa, you are awesome! You just finished and learned 100 adjectives super fast. That is amazing. If you want to learn more about the weather, click on this video right here. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lesson.